Changing the filter cartridge for the express whole house water filter, it's easy. First you start off with this wrench and then you try to loosen it. Right now, before I connect everything, I wanted to show you what it's like to change the filter. So I start off with the one on the left. You just twist it off counterclockwise and it comes off. It feels a little heavy because the cartridge is big. It's not light, so it feels like about 10 pounds each. That's what it feels like. It could be less. And once you have the filter cartridge casing out, you just put it back the same way. You turn it clockwise. Just be careful not to cross thread. Just give 1/4 of a turn so you don't get any water leak. These casing have O-ring to give you a good seal so that no water leaks. Last thing you need to do is take the wrench and see if you could get a 1/4 of a turn or so to make sure it's nice snug up against the case and the O-ring is doing its job. You don't want to leave any gap between the case and the filter housing.